Hey family, this week we're dancing to Neon Guts by Lil Uzi Vert and Pharrell. And let's just hop straight into it. So we're starting on Pharrell's verse. He says, I'm moving to something like amoeba. Relax. So we're gonna start with our right arm, our chest, like this, nice angle. Left arm out, you're gonna walk, start with your left foot, really wide strap. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So you're just walking without arms. Left, right, left, up. It's really your body that's gonna move under your arm to end up here, right? So you're here. You're gonna go up. When you go down, you're going to roll around to come here. So let's put that walk and that part together. Arms back in place. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are tiny pauses in here, so that's why it's like this. To go up, to go around, 7, 8. And once you're here, you're gonna do like a step ball change, but really wide and kind of broken down. So you're just going back and boom, back and boom, and you're gonna do the same thing, smaller and quicker. So ha, ha, boom, boom. Okay? So let's try that all together. I feel like when I'm doing that walk, I get so close, so I'm trying to keep spacing. Ready? Arm on your chest. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. Boom. Ha. Step back. Boom. Ha. 1 in. Ha. 2 in. Ha. 3 in. Cool. So you're going 3 in. Cool. So he's gonna say, you don't have Richard dyslexia, or you don't have whatever, but he's saying you don't have. So really gonna tell him you don't have by kicking back. You're gonna grab whatever, your shirt or your pants right here. And you're gonna be kicking back with your left leg and also hitting back like you elbowing somebody like back up off me. So after you go from this part, let's go back, ha, ha, back, ha, ha, 1 in, 2 in, 3 in, pause. Here. 1, 2, 3. Boom, ha. He's gonna say no. No. So just do from 1, 2, 3. No. Arm out, because he's gonna say, you don't have Richard dyslexia. No, sir. And then after you go, no, sir, you're gonna like walk up, walk up. So you're just gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Cool? So let's go back from here. You're going back and 1, back and 2. Quick. Ha. Ha. 1 in. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir. 1, 2, 3. No, no. 1 in. Ha. 2 in. Ha. 3, 4. Boom, boom. No, no. He said, like, I don't know the reason. And then, so let's try that all together from the top twice, and we'll try our music. Back to arm pointing out. Other arm on your chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Hit, ha, hit, ha. Quick. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. No. Back, back, back. Ha, ha. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cool. Cool. Again. To the top. Arm out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Boom. No, no. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. Let's try with some music. Let's try with some music. I know so. So This is not a part, but it's like this. 7, 5, 6, 7, walk. So, oh, I'm sorry. You go, ha, 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 walk, 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 ha. Or you can change it up, whatever you want to say, I don't know. So next, after that, he's going to say, andale, andale, viva, hola, me and Jay Babylon, we vibe, hola, okay, cool. So after you went, ha, 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 we don't really know what's going on, because we didn't really know. You're gonna jump, start your left one up, to go, andale, andale, riva, hola. Cool, see if I looking. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Me and Jay Alvin, we vibe. Boom, ear forward. But like, let your head fall back. Cause y'all know Uzi got that little shoulder roll. I don't really do this great with this shoulder, with this shoulder. He has a little shoulder roll. And you feeling it? So you're doing the same little shoulder roll, but you're going this way, so with this shoulder forward. So you're jumping 1, 2, 3, 4, down, hit to go, boom. And he's gonna say, success is the drug and man, we high. So you're gonna go, success is a drug and man, we high. Just go up, boom. So let's do that all together from the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8, underlay, revive, hola, me and Jay, we fight. Success is a drug, man, we high. Man, we high. I can't remember something. Man, we high, boom. See up here? He's gonna say, I am not the prince of Beehive. So you go up, up, and you're gonna walk 1, 2, oh my bad, sorry. You go up, and you go right to that little bounce I was in earlier, like this. This is the groove. It's in place. So up, up. Man, we high. I am not the prince of beehives. You kind of look like this is your crown. Like watch the lead, you know, but this is your crown. So you're saying, I am not the prince of beehives. And then you're gonna go, I got love for you haters. And then you do the same thing this way. Hey. Boom. Sorry. So you went up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3. I'm not the person to you guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Swag it out for the rest. Cool? So let's try that from the beginning real quick. And then we'll try it with music. Okay? Ready? Starting here. Hold on, let me solidify what I say in my head. Ha 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 ha. Okay, cool. It's in my head now. Cool. Start from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and under. To go back, 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 back. Hit, hit, hit. 1, 2, 3. Up, no. Boom, boom, boom. Pow, pow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 to go. Jump, jump. 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2. Let's go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. To go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So let's try that with music and let's groove. Remember, when you're learning this at home, this is a tutorial. It'll be online. Y'all can play it over and over and over. that again. That's groovy. That's groovy again. I get so close when I'm dancing. You start backing up. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So, as you can see, there's time to breathe in this dance. I kind of paused because a little out of breath. Been dancing for a little minute. But there's, like, time to breathe in this dance for real, y'all. So, like, how I had the moment where it was, in between, hola, before I went to, especially that ending, there's time to breathe. So make that, like, your moment and breathe through it. So, yeah. We're done. I'm out of breath, a little sweaty, but I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye, fam.